In this program, we will learn switch case. In switch case, we used to create those programs in which menu type of program is there. Menu type of problem is given. In these cases, we use switch case. For that, we take one input, int, for example, choice ch, clear screen. We take the input in ch, scanf. Now we declare the switch case, passing the variable name ch, so that we can know that which case is to be executed. Suppose you have entered 1, then the first case will be executed. You have entered 2, then the second case will be executed, and so on. Case 1. This case 1, when we enter 1 through ch variable, if it matches with this label 1, then this case will be executed. For this case, we make a body. There's a break statement through which we can break the case 1. In the same way, we can make any number of cases. Case 2. We can also take character in place of these digits 1, 2, 3. Instead of that, we can use A, B, C, D also. You have entered 2. You have entered 3, and so on. We can also make default case. If you have entered something else than these 3, then what will happen? In that case, default will be executed. So we write default case. In that case, you can write the message you want to give. Like that, we want to give this printf. You have entered. You have entered the wrong choice. default is okay, and case 3, case 2, case 1, all these happen. So the program is completed. Now check the result. There is another error, curly brace error. It means some scope problem is there. Default case 3 is there, case 2, case 1, switch case is not closed. Okay, so we close it here, and this is ch. Control F9. Please enter any choice. So I enter 2, you entered 2, and if I again run the program and I enter another, then 1, 2, 3, suppose 5, you have entered the wrong choice. So we have come in the default case in this case. So what is the scope of this program? When we want to make menu type of program in restaurants, in movies, and movie theater booking, and all these type of cases we want, when we want more than one choice, then we can use switch case. In this switch case we can use integer as well as the characters. So that's all with the switch case.